Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best bread makers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the SKG2LB Programmable Bread Machine. A healthy slice of bread is worth to everyone. Whether it's breakfast or dinner, every slice matters. To make mouth-watering bread, the SKG Automatic Bread Machine is impressive. The machine is made to ensure everyone makes super loaves. Unlike others, this one mixes and bake your bread. Once ingredients are ready, the rest of the work is done by the machine. Additionally, it can cook 3-sized loaves. It delivers 1, 1.5 and 2 lb options as well as 19 setting menu. The lid is superbly made and lets the baker inspect the cooking process. Also, it has an ergonomic design that allows lid opening to be comfortable. The pan is coated with a non-stick layer, which enables users to enjoy seamless cleaning. Therefore, even when baking, the bread doesn't stick on the pan. Unlike other machines, this makes uniform bread without deformed edges. Therefore, no more uneven cooking like cheap bread makers. Moving on at number 4, we have the KBS Pro 17-in-1 stainless steel bread machine. The KBS loaf is making machine suits every home. It's a durable machine with a stainless steel body. Therefore, it offers unmatched bread baking performance. With the ability to large bread, the machine is suited for every family. Moreover, the 17 settings are tasked with ensuring versatility. Whether bread making, cakes, and other cookies, this machine is superb. Besides, it offers the ability to make different-sized loaves of bread efficiently. Thus, when in need of a smaller bread, the machine can make 1, 1.5 and 2.2 pounds. Besides baking, the machine is capable of offering 15 hours of delayed cooking. Additionally, a 1-hour warming feature ensures no more eating cold bread. The crust setting can achieve light, medium, and dark-looking crust. This makes it possible to make different-looking bread without extra effort. Accompanied by 300 free recipes, it is an excellent machine for making great cooking. At number 3, we have the Hamilton Beach 2 pounds Programmable Digital Bread Maker. Hamilton Beach Programmable Bread Maker is the superior machine. The expertly made baking machine is superb and creates superb bread. In fact, the available program settings are the reason this machine makes excellent loaves. It can make gluten-free, quick bread, whole grain, and other types of bread. Typically, with this machine, it allows everyone to enjoy top-quality and customized loaves. Unlike other machines, this has 2 kneading paddles. Therefore, mixing is efficient and makes as perfect dough. Apart from making premium quality bread, the machine has reminder tones for adding fruits. This adds great flavor to your bread and allows users to create perfect results. Equipped with a large display, there is a simple setting without trial and error. With different bread size options, users can make 3-sized loaves. The large digital timer and soft-feeling buttons enable the user to enjoy quick settings. At number 2, we have the Zojirushi BBPDC20BA Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker. Adding a reliable bread maker helps in turning your home to a bakery. Zojirushi Virtuoso Plus machine offers exceptional results. Whether you loaf oatmeal, whole grain, or quick bread, the machine is always ready to deliver exceptional results. Also, for vegan and low-carb bread, the baking machine is outstanding. Equipped with double kneading blades, they are excellent for making perfect dough. This results in soft and mouth-watering loaves. Besides, the dual heaters are reliable and keep the machine baking to offer bakery-quality results. Apart from efficient cooking, the machine delivers smooth and great-looking bread. The digital display keeps the machine simple to use. With a rapid course, the machine can make white or brown bread in 2.25 hours. In fact, the settings allow for different option selection. This creates a better way to enjoy simple operation for perfect loaves. Apart from remarkable performance, the machine is sleek and gives every kitchen an upgraded decor. And finally at number 1, we have the Sunbeam Programmable Breadmaker. Baking bread seems a daunting task. Not anymore with this Sunbeam Programmable Bread Making Machine. It's one of the compact but with high capacity. Therefore, it can bake up to 2 pounds of bread. Thus, even when you have a family, it is easy to make the right loaves. With this machine, it ensures people to make the preferred type of bread. Due to the compact nature, the baking machine is perfect for small areas. The machine has a variety of settings. Therefore, it enables efficient baking without causing trouble. With soft and perfectly arranged buttons and large display, the machine is exceptionally easy to use. The lid has a clear window for easy viewing of your bread as it cooks. Moreover, the removable and non-stick pan allows hassles-free loaf removing from the pan. Above all, cleaning is super easy. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.